So I'm all glammed up, as you can see. I have few looks to shoot for the Instagram. And before doing that, I thought I'll do this sit down video and show you my different hairstyling tips and tricks and the hairstyles that I like to do on my very short hair. Hi guys, my name is Asta. If you are watching me for the first time and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. So before going into the video, I would like to tell you the name of my haircut because I get a lot of questions on my DMs, Instagram and everything. You guys ask what this hairstyle is called. So this is called a bob or a short bob, and I got this done a month back because I really needed a change and wanted to do something different to my hair because you know, changing your hairstyle can give you an entirely different look. So that's what I wanted to do to my look and style and everything. So that's what I did to my hair. I love it, although my mother was not so happy with this situation right here. She was like, don't cut your hair, Indian moms. So anyway, I got it done and I really like it. Now it's grown a bit and I like this length. So yeah, that's about my haircut. And before going into this styling and how I style my hair, I also want to talk to you guys about how I take care of my hair, because I get a lot of DMs regarding that too. So there's nothing major to my hair care routine. It's very basic, and this is what I've been doing since childhood. Like my mom was doing this to my hair, my nanny was doing this to my hair. Every Indian girl can relate to this. So this is what I use. It's 100% pure coconut oil, and this is the thing I got here in Belgium, but in India I used to use Parachute or any other coconut oil you can find. So this is what I use, guys. I don't use any other bougie products. This is what I use because I feel coconut oil gives you that deep conditioning, and especially during winter time. Yeah, and my hair feels really nourished, really smooth after applying this. So it really depends how I like to apply it. Sometimes I apply it overnight, like I apply it during night before sleeping and just sleep over it overnight, and morning I just go into the shower, wash my hair. Or if I'm not feeling that, I will just apply it 2 hours before taking shower. Just leave it, tie my hair into a bun or a ponytail, and then just get into the shower and wash your hair, obviously. And I feel it just nourishes your hair, gives that shine back into your hair. So this is what I do. And after I've taken shower, I like to use rose hip seed oil, like 2 or 3 drops of rose hip seed oil. And what I like to do is, I will show it to you. I just take like 2 or 3 drops of it, like so. Rub it onto my palms like this and just apply it towards the ends of my hair. So it just gives that shine to my ends, and yeah, that's what I like to do. So these are the 2 products that I use on my hair as my hair care routine, and that's about it. I got this rose hip seed oil from Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description box so you can go and check it out. And also it's super good for your skin. I add it to my moisturizer and just apply it on my face. So now let's quickly jump into the styling. And the first product that I like to use, because I use heat on my hair, so I like to use Loreal Paris Elnett Satin. It's a heat protecting styling spray. This is a new version. I had the old one. It gives volume 2. And to style my hair, I use this Philips straightener, basic straightener, and it's really old. I think it's 2.5 years old. It's called Miss Fresher's Straight. I didn't feel the need to change it because it works perfectly on my hair. So this is what I use, my holy grail. So this is the only equipment that I use. I don't have or use the curler. I curl my hair using a straightener. So yes, let's get into that. And so this is what my hair looks like after I wash them. I have naturally wavy hair. So if I'm going for a very formal look, I have a meeting or I'm going to meet other brands, their PRs, something like that, of that sort, like sort of formal event, I like to keep my hair straight, so I just use my straightener, basic straightener, and just that's my go-to. But if I'm feeling fancy or I want something different to my hair, I like to curl them. That's what we are going to do. and I'm going to spray this to protect my hair. And let my straightener heat up. Till then I'll just use this basic tangle teaser which I got from PRIMARK. It's pretty good, does a job. Divide my hair into sections like this. Take a band. I'm looking like that way because it's my mirror there. Alright, my straightener is all heated up. Now what I'll do is take a section of hair like so, and for this section we will curl this away from the face. So just turn your straightener, slowly just pull it out, and that's the curl you get. So these are really tight curls. I like to do really tight curls and then I like to loosen them up. The front sections I like to curl them away from the face, and the rest ones are like alternate. I like to do alternate. So for this one I'll take it again away, curl it away from my face, and then I'll take the other one and I like to curl it towards, like inside, inwards. I don't like to do much to my bottom section like this because anyways it's not going to be that visible. I like to concentrate more on the upper section. Now as you can see, some of the hair, like I left few strands and they are not curled. So just go back and do that. You don't have to be like, there's no rule to it. Just try it out and see what works for you. And I like to concentrate more on the front section because they frame the face. So yeah. Short hair, like I haven't curled them out because anyways they are not going to be visible so much. So just take your fingers and set them out. And my bow is off. And once you are happy with how your hair is looking, take your setting spray because it'll just hold your curls better. Actually, I don't like using so much heat into my hair and so much product, but sometimes I like a different look, something that goes with my outfit. So yeah, I do some styling. Not every day. This is not something I do every day, but once in a while I like to do it. Holds the curls in place. And just scrunch your hair like so. Same thing on this side. So yes guys, this is my first hairstyle. Now you can totally stop at this, but sometimes I like to take a step further. Tuck my hair behind my ear like so and let this side fall freely. And for that hairstyle, all you need are some bobby pins. You don't have to be very neat about it. Take a bobby pin, not a, like you need a lot more. Nobody can look stylish while putting on bobby pins. And since these hair are really short, sometimes I like to tuck them away and sometimes I just leave it like that. So today I'm feeling I should tuck them away. So take few strands, especially the front ones, curl them out. To make them stay put, little bit of hairspray. And that is it, guys. These are two very easy hairstyles, hair tricks that I do to my very short hair. So if you have short hair like me and you don't know how to style them, there you go. Two very easy hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. You can share this with your friends who have short hair like me. The products or the links will be there in the description box. The makeup products I use, what I'm wearing, everything will be linked down below. So go and check it out and come back for more videos. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.